guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Tunsi Wheels, and it's another episode of my channel. I'm so glad to be back here again. Sorry I've not been able to post for a very long time. It was due to some challenges about YouTube, but probably I'll do a video on that later. But thank God I'm back again, and today is 24th of December 2022, which is the day to Christmas. So today I just want to show the video of how my day is going to go today. I don't know, probably I might also do a Christmas vlog as well. But today I'm going to work. So as in, who goes to work on a day to Christmas, for crying out loud? Only in this country will you see somebody go to work on a day to Christmas. Like, the hustle is real. There's no holiday. But anyways, we move. So today I'll be going to work, and I want you guys to go with me. Sorry, my face is popping, which I'm falling in love with that. So you guys should go with me to work today. It's a day to Christmas. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm almost done right now. I'll be heading back home. I'm through with today's work. This is just some minutes past 1. So I'll be going on very soon. I just want to say, hope you guys enjoyed my day with me at work today. Today's 24th, and see you guys on Christmas Day. Bye.
Next day.
So you guys are welcome back. So it's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And I wish you guys a very loving Christmas, full of blessing, beautiful memories, and greater achievements and greater beginnings for you all, as it is the birth of my Lord Jesus Christ. His rebirth bring us new things in our lives, beautiful memories and great things. So guys, in case you're very up with my channel and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, comment, share to your friends and families, and please subscribe. Do not forget that. So today I'll be stepping out. Like I said yesterday, I said I was going to be that I should be going to the beach today, which is Sunday, the Christmas day, but I don't think I'll be going to the beach again. Plans has changed, but I'll be going to the beach later in the week. So I just want to give you guys an update on how it is. So now I'm stepping out. I just want to go to the nearest location where I'm going to be eating Christmas rice and Christmas jollof. So you guys should go with me. So yeah. Hello guys, update on my Christmas vlog. I just finished it right now and I feel so very full. I enjoyed the meal. The meal was actually nice and good. Yes, I went to greet my family member and I was given food to eat, which was very delicious and very nice. I plan on doing my meals soon, but I don't know when I'll be going to do that. So if I don't do it today, probably I'll do it tomorrow. So guys, I hope your Christmas is going well. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas as I enjoyed mine. And I want to wish you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. So currently now everybody's asleep. Before I came to greet, they're all asleep. The only one awake. So I might probably sleep later, or I might not sleep, or I might be pressing my phone. I don't know yet. Oh, it's going. See ya later.
2 hours later.
Generous bunnies.
We're gonna kill the Empress. And anyone else who took part in it.
Day 3.
Hey guys, so it's beach day. You guys are welcome. So I said I was supposed to go to beach on Sunday, which was Christmas day, but I couldn't go. So today's Tuesday and I'll be going to beach today. So you guys should please go with me. See you guys later. Bye.